I am with my sweet seller, Hannah, and I wanted to give her an opportunity to share what she believes is so special about this place.
This home is a home for me. It is quiet, it is safe, it is peaceful. I can walk to the farmer's market and get great stuff. I can bike to Publix. I have a great backyard that I love to entertain in. I've made a garden that's really easy to maintain. The light in this house is wonderful, and it's really well built. I love it. I don't want to sell it, but it's time for me to do that. Yeah.
Thank you for sharing that.
Sure.
Yeah, it's really sweet to hear the memories, but also what a seller knows to be true about their property. So if any of those things pique your interest, reach out for more information. Come fall in love with this charming 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom house conveniently located just steps from Haile Village. You really have to see it to believe it.